Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on KB Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kbhshomeloans.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for KB Mortgage Service. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will end up within the login portal. Now type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address section and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the verify button and then you will be logged into your KBHS home loan service right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the account locked option underneath the verify button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on KB Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.